Day, McVeigh. Happy Thursday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, so we have some projects for today. The first one is by Carol, who has given us a wonderful drawing of the solar system as it relates to Earth. So we have the sun, the moon, and Earth. And it's very well done. And then we have just some summer art, rainbows and ice cream and watermelon. Looking forward, maybe this is reminiscent of our beach day yesterday. And finally, some multiplication by first graders in room 124. This is Ariana, who is working as much as the 7 times tables. Now, for those of you who are in 3rd grade, you know the 7 times tables gave some of you a tough time. Well, Ariana, way to go. 3rd grade work. All right, moving on to our Wordle. We have some new correct answers today coming in from room 202 and class 103 completely. I think the other day I only had part of class 103. Now I have the whole class 103. All right, but here we are. So we learned that these 2 letters are the same letter, and they are a vowel, one of the vowels that's used often, but not as often as the most common or the second most common. We had to pick out which one it was. So that was an I. And we learned that this letter is a vowel, and it's the least used vowel in our, so that has to be a U. Okay. All right, so now what are the rest of these letters? These 2 clues should give it away. This is the most common consonant, and this is one of the most common consonants. Now, moving on to our mystery number, we learned that these are vowel consonant E odd numbers, and they are not homonyms. And it's the lesser of the 2 that are vowel consonant E, non-homonym, odd numbers. That has to be a 5. All right, so now we have to figure out these 2 numbers. We know that this number has the most common vowel consecutively. Which one is that? That's a 3. So what is this number? All right, here's my clue. If you take this number, subtract the consonants, and add in 1 consonant in those 2 spots, the same consonant, you'll get this number. This number. Take this number, subtract the consonants, and where you took them out, you put in a different consonant, but it's the same consonant in both places. Then you have the mystery number. Now it's time for a mighty kind moment of the day. Let's get a drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So our mighty kind moment of the day is a shout out to our physical education staff, Mr. Hanlon, Mr. O'Regan, Mr. Leonard, who did a lot of work for our field day today. So make sure when you see them, you say thank you. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty minded, everyday boys and girls. It's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Now, after we're finished, you're going to see some footage of the May Madness shootout, some more teachers shooting.